We've never mentioned this app before, but it's possible to generate over $600 for free with just this one app. This app is free to download and install on both iOS and Android devices. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 distinct apps. For the third app, you have nothing to do, and the first 2 apps will pay you to install them. You can get the most out of those 3 apps and generate the most money possible. The first 2 applications will simply assist you in earning some passive income for free because, as I previously stated, you only need to install them. So, I'm going to show you those 2 apps, and then I'm going to show you a third app that we haven't discussed yet. This is going to pay you $600 for free once again. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. In this video, I will be showing you 3 different applications that may help you earn money online. First, I'll show you a few different apps that will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone. And you may concentrate on the final app I'm about to show you, where we can earn over $600. However, these 2 apps will provide you with free passive income. Yeah, you heard that correctly. The first 2 applications will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is download them. For us to go our first website, all you need to do is go to Google and enter moneysmsapp.com. The homepage of the website looks like this. On this very page, you can see how it works. Money SMS is a free Android app that automatically allows you to make money online by receiving SMS generated by your system and customers. All you have to do now is download it to your smartphone, create an account, and it will send you some random SMS messages that you don't have to reply to because they have no value. It'll just be a bunch of random numbers and letters that you may delete as soon as you get them, but you will still get paid for each SMS you receive. There is no need to work. All you have to do now is passively receive the SMS. You don't have to do anything but sign up for this app, and that's it. They'll send you new text messages every day, and you'll be compensated for each one, as I previously stated. If you scroll down, you will see more pieces of information regarding this application. As you can see, this application will work only for Android devices. For now, you need to watch the entire video because the next future applications will be available on both Android and iOS devices. As you can see, our application is exclusively Android-based because only Android allows apps to read SMS. With this application, you will be earning money online. You just need to install our app and get paid by our money-making app for receiving SMS text messages. This app is also secure. The app does not read any of our private messages or uses any other data. We read only our own test SMS. Their program does not access any of our data, so they won't snoop around your private messages or use any other information. They'll only read their own test SMS, so they won't steal information or read your private messages, and it's safe. I've done some preliminary research on this app, and people are happy at how much money they're making with it. They like how the system works because, as you can see, it's all automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. They also have a great referral program that pays you 30% of the earnings from the people you refer. So, if you refer a buddy to this app or website and they sign up and start generating money, and if they earn $100, you will get $30 for free passively. The insane thing is, as you can see, this manner of earning money online is 100% free. This app is completely free. You don't need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. Yes, there are numerous methods to get passive income using the Money SMS app. You can learn more about this app by scrolling down below. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. If you scroll down and reach this far, as you can see, this is how you can earn money in this manner. First, all you need to do is sign up, download and install the APK, register, and keep the app and internet running on your phone. Second, receive automatic test SMS. This system and its customers will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. Lastly, you will get paid. There are some of the screenshots and how it appears inside the dashboard. This is the referral code that you may share with your friends and family, as well as on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can even post it to select Facebook groups regarding generating money online in this manner. Simply tell them that they may earn money from that app while they sleep, and then send them your referral link. You can still earn some passive revenue from your referrals, which is one of the best features of this application. As you see right here, this application is legit. At Money SMS, they take all the necessary measures to ensure that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. If you are not sure whether they pay our users, you can check the proof of payments from many of the users on an independent website, Net Business Rating. The next website that we will be using is Cash Magnet. You can access this website by entering cashmagnetapp.com on your Google search bar. You can install this app on your Android phone or tablet devices. This one is also only accessible for Android, but keep an eye out because the last app will pay you and be available for iOS and Android devices. I'm going to offer you something for free at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through. Essentially, you receive money from your Android phone, compensating you for every minute you spend doing nothing. As you can see, you don't have to do anything. They have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. So, unlike the Money SMS app, this one will actually pay you a lot more. We're working our way up from the lowest paying app to the top paying app. You may find out more about this application by scrolling down here. You're not required to complete any duties such as watching advertisements or playing games. Earnings will pour in and you'll be completely self-sufficient and idle. You can actually be sleeping, doing anything else, having lunch, going outside to drink, reading the news, whatever it is that you may do every day, and you will still be paid just for installing this app. Just let your smartphone open to make money passively. Prepare to earn several times more, and after only 3 months of labor in the Cash Magnet, you will be able to purchase a brand new phone that will work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thousands of happy customers have done it this way. After 3 months of use, you could literally buy a completely new phone. It's completely risk-free. Your personal information and settings will not be exploited in any manner. Make money while doing nothing by using your phone as a passive revenue generator. This section right here is the frequently asked questions. As you can see, what is a Cash Magnet? It's an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using the phone. So you can just leave your phone out there with the app installed and you'll be earning money passively. If you don't want to install it on your main phone for whatever reason, you can install it on an old spare phone you might have. The last app that will pay you over $600 is no other than Current.us. All you have to do now is download the software for either iOS or Android, which is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. You can earn up to $600 by only listening to music. All you have to do now to earn money online in this manner is install it and listen to music. The more music you listen to, the more points you will be earning. The more points, the more money you will have. You're getting paid to listen to music in your spare time. So search and play from over 10,000 radio stations. Find your favorite music and listen to it in order to make money in this manner. You don't have to listen to some random rapper from SoundCloud that you don't like. Instead, you may listen to music that you like and still get paid for it. You guys obviously already listen to a lot of music every day, so now you can get paid by doing it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.